All right, well, this is somewhat of a surprising update here. Just over the weekend, Mark Gurman came out and said a couple of updates in regards to iOS 27. And while it is obviously a major software release that's going to be coming soon, it sounds now more like iOS 27 to focus on bug fixes, performance, and design tweaks as opposed to major new features. Like I said, it is a massive new iOS update, so it will still have a ton of little features integrated and probably a tentpole or two new features, but it seems that at 2026's WWDC, or Worldwide Developer Conference, it could be much more of a modest update than expected. In his normal Power On newsletter, he said that iOS 27 will be unveiled at WWDC as expected, and it will deliver further Apple Intelligence improvements, but it will be and I'm going to quote this, fairly muted affair. The headline new software features will apparently be a more personalized Siri with that leaked and rumored chatbot interface, but the software platforms will generally focus on performance improvements, bug fixes, and fine-tuning Liquid Glass and the design in general. He also added that, and this is somewhat of a surprise too, 26.4, which will entail that initial first wave of the new Siri, that was rumored since the RC just dropped on February 4th. That was rumored to come out this week. However, he now says that the first beta won't come out until the week of February 23rd, but it will include some of the components for the long anticipated Siri changes to make it more personalized. So this is a little bit of a surprising and kind of gives us also a little bit of a nod to when 26.3 might drop and all of that. With the release of the RC back on Wednesday, the 4th, we thought that we could be seeing another RC on the 6th, but now, if it doesn't go public today, on the 9th here, it is very possible we get another RC instead this week, with the public release next week on the 16th. This is way behind Apple's typical schedule for releases, and definitely a little bit of surprise that the first beta won't come until the end of February instead of the beginning here. We'll have to see. Anyways, aside from that, iOS 27, we should have a better idea when that first beta will drop with the keynote, because WWDC 2026 is likely to be announced towards the end of March, as it typically does. Once those dates are announced, it is usually typically in June, probably around the 8th or 15th would be my guess as to when that first beta will go drop for the keynote for WWDC this year. But again, the major new software updates unveiled at this event will probably be available to developers immediately, as usual. But keep in mind, it definitely seems a lot more tame than what we all had hoped. What do you guys think? I'm okay with focusing on a lot of bug fixes, especially with 26 unable to do easy things sometimes, including simply using an accurate keyboard, the predictive text line. When you have easy interface issues like this, that's something Apple has never had to deal with in the past, and it is somewhat surprising. Aside from that, the glitches have sort of kind of went away. I have had a couple of Springboard refreshes, just randomly doing things, but as far as performance and everything, you can see everything does work pretty well. Let's go to music. I mean, with 26.3, it's been pretty good. I mean, you can see me just hopping around, having no issues here at all. So, again, this is just my opinion, but you can see everything loads pretty quick. No issues have really been had. So, hearing 27 might be just a bug fix update, basically, needless to say, for lack of better terms. I'm excited to see it, but I would have liked to see more innovation from Apple as they've been known to do in the past. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching, guys. We will catch you in the next one. Peace.